Ready to unlock the secrets to boosting your lead generation and skyrocketing your conversions? Let's dive into how to implement the Follow Up Boss pixel on your website, step by step. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account. Once you're in, navigate to the admin section, typically found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Next, in the admin menu, look for integrations. Click on integrations to access all available integrations. Scroll down until you find the pixel tracking integration. Now you'll see the Follow Up Boss pixel code, which is a small snippet of code that needs to be installed on your website. Select the pixel code and copy it. Head over to the back end of your website and locate the section where you can add custom code. This is typically in the header or footer settings. Depending on your website platform, paste the Follow Up Boss pixel code into this section. Once you've pasted the code, save your changes. Now the Follow Up Boss pixel will start tracking visitor behavior on your website. With the pixel installed, Follow Up Boss can now track visitor behavior, measure the performance of your ad campaigns, and optimize your marketing efforts. You'll gain valuable insights into which strategies are working best, allowing you to focus your resources for maximum impact. That's it. You're now on your way to data-driven lead generation.